Look at the color of the water and the scene also. This is the very end of the Malama beach that you can see over there, and it's very crowded, so I have chosen this area over here behind the rocks with very few people over here. So yeah, 22nd of September today. It's 4:15 p.m. right now, and this is the 8th different beach spots I visit today on my Cyprus vacation, and this is day 6, of course. And yeah, this is Malama Beach, and if you have been following the other episodes about Cyprus on my channel, you know that I'm sharing facts, one fact per video. And the fact for today is that there are more than 45 beaches in Cyprus that are awarded the blue flag, which means that they are safe and clean to take a swim in. And this is one of them. I see the blue flag waving over there. So this is one of the 45 beaches in Cyprus. And I can confirm it is clean and nice. The water is amazing, of course. And that means that we are ready to dive in. Yes, the beach, the entrance to the beach is sand, pure sand. There are not so many rocks at all. I haven't seen any actually. And here is the view to the beach from the water. But it looks much more nicer from the top when you go down to the sandy part of the beach. And look at those rock formations with nice caves in them. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. Brilliant. Alright, yes, the day is coming to its end soon, but I think I'm gonna be able to make 2 more beaches to make it 10 a total for today, as tomorrow is the last day of my Cyprus vacation. And I will be definitely returning to Big Tree Bay because that's one of the 2 best beaches on the island, along with Lisi Beach in Yanapa. But as I'm staying at Rotaras, it's a lot easier to get to Big Tree. It's only 2 kilometers walk from my hotel. And yeah, what else? Yeah, let's enjoy a bit more in the lovely view of Malama Beach here in Cyprus. Yep, that's a wrap for this episode, and don't forget to subscribe and to receive updates on the new videos that I will post from Cyprus, but also the rest of the world, where we explore amazing beach destinations on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!